Welcome to ControlDesk, your ultimate hub for project document control and project management. This channel is here to help document controllers, project engineers, and construction professionals improve their skills in managing project documents, Aconex workflows, risk management, drawings control, and international project procedures. At ControlDesk, you'll learn how to efficiently manage and track project documents, follow best practices in Aconex document management, control project drawings, and handle version updates, maintain risk registers and manage project risks, follow international standards and project procedures, use practical Excel tutorials and formulas for tracking documents, revisions, and approvals. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced professional, our easy-to-follow tutorials, tips, and real-world examples will help you boost your career, improve productivity, and prevent costly project errors. We upload new videos every week, including both short tutorials and in-depth guides. Subscribe now to take control of your projects and stay updated with the latest document control, project management, and Excel tips.